Good morning. Video message for Tommy. Tommy, hi. Thank you for buying the Pioneer 620 non-running saw. So I haven't had a chance to do a video for this, to kind of do a walk around, because obviously I bought this as a non-runner a long time ago, and I thought what I'd do is do a very quick walk around with the camera for you now, and so you can see exactly how she's being sent, and then I'd love to hear how you get on if you're using her for spares or going to be putting her into service. I'd love to know. There's this beautiful shaped top cover. And then full start housing with the screws still over painted. You can see the original lime type of green paint underneath. So generally done absolutely nothing with this, just hung up next to my 700, 650 and my other 650, 650H. There's this gorgeous Oregon Supertronic bar in the front. Both the guide plates are present all the way around. Thought of what I'd do as well, because I've got a spanner here. I'm going to take off the top cover as well, just to show you what it's like underneath, because I don't know, and perhaps I'll even pull the spark plug and we'll do a very quick spark plug check as well. I did say in the listing I was going to do that and just have run out of time. So, I think that's right, that's 13. It's a half-inch plug. 13 is okay. I think it's really exciting working on some of the untouched saws, because they've sat stationary for so long. It's funny looking at the bolts when they're all kind of rusted over and just untouched. So no damage on the top cover, which is fabulous. Put that there. It has a heat shield, which is great. I hoped it did have. So the little aluminium heat shroud is in place as well. And okay, so it has no spark plug cap, but the HT lead is the HT lead is kind of locked into the little top of it. Let's see if we can. And compression wise, good compression. Return spring, not used, just a little slow and tired. Let's get the plug out and have a look. Old spark plug, 1 second. Okay. Let's undo that. Not too tight, that was okay. Threads in the head are really, really good if I'm in shot. And well, this will be fun. Let's I mean, the chances are with old engines like this that they won't have a spark, just because they haven't done anything for so long. But it has been stored correctly and in a bone dry workshop, and was bought from a person that had stored it also bone dry as well, so although non-running. So I'll get the camera, let's see together. So air filter present, and okay, well, no spark. Or was there? Oh, there is a spark. Is that Kill switch. She does spark, Tommy. Very good. Okay. Well, that's great news. So you can have a spark as well, and with great compression. So I'd love to hear how you get on. I would imagine it'll only be a small amount of time before you have her fettled, maybe, and firing and running. Okay, many thanks. I shall strip off the bar. Again, the bar's never been taken off in my ownership, as none of the covers have. This is the first time, so love to hear how you get on. Thanks again. Bye for now.